Vicky Kaushal is one of the most desired men of Bollywood today. This national award winner has impressed the whole nation with his acting skills. Well, being a consistent performer is what brings success in Bollywood. Vicky Kaushal has followed this mantra in all his performances and become one rare gem. And today we are going to talk about this actor's success story. Before we start, hit the subscribe button if you are new to the channel and turn on the bell icon so that you don't miss any updates. Vicky Kaushal was born to the action director and stuntman Shyam Kaushal in 1988 in Mumbai. Like any other kid, during his childhood, Vicky was focused on studying and playing cricket. But since his childhood, he loved to watch movies. Because of his father's insistence, he pursued engineering. But that was not his calling. While visiting an IT company, he realized that an office job would not be suitable for him. So, he started to think about a career in the film industry. Listening to his father's struggle story made him more determined. He used to accompany his father on film sets. There he learned the basics. But it was not enough for him, as his first audition was a nightmare. The role was small, yet he could not shine, and realized how far away he is from his goals. But he did not give up. From the next day onwards, he started to go for more auditions. To prepare himself further for his career in films, he joined theatre. He worked under Manav Kaul and Naseeruddin Shah. This is when he evolved as an actor. He worked as an assistant director in Anurag Kashyap's Gangs of Wasseypur in 2012. He enjoyed working with Kashyap, and in an interview, he called him his mentor. He even performed in minor roles in Kashyap's Bombay Velvet and Love Shaft Chicken Khurana. After a long struggle, the actor finally got the chance he deserved. He got his first film as a lead actor in Masaan. Masaan was released in 2015, and Vicky proved how amazing an actor he was. To play the character of a low socio-economic class yearning for a better life, he lived in Banaras. He learned the mannerisms of local people. Masaan was a turning point in his career, but he was not a star yet. After Masaan, his movie Zubaan got released at Busan International Film Festival. In the movie, his role of a grieving son who starts to stammer after his father's death got acclaimed. To ace his act, he did speech therapy to learn stammering patterns. Such a dedicated actor he is. It has been reported that even after the movie's shoot, he continued to stammer in real life. The actor took one step closer to his goals with his star-maker performance in Raman Raghav. In the movie, he was a drug addict police officer who was trying to catch the serial killer. To bring this role to perfection, he lived in isolation for 5 days and prepared his dialogues. Again, he showed immense hard work and dedication to his work. So much hard work and so much dedication finally paid off. It was in 2018 when Vicky Kaushal got his breakthrough. He performed as a lead in the romantic comedy film Love Per Square Feet. His chemistry with Angila Dhar was well received by the audience. Then he did Razi opposite Alia Bhatt and delivered a stellar performance. It was one of the highest grossing films of the year 2018. In the same year, he has been seen in Lust Stories, Sanju and Man Marziya. In all these movies, Vicky portrayed completely different characters and earned accolades. So far, the actor has received many acknowledgements. But he was still not the star he deserved to be. Finally, his time came in 2019 with the release of Uri, The Surgical Strike. It was an action movie based on the real incident of the 2016 Uri attack. Vicky played the lead. To perform in this role, he followed a strict ketogenic diet and went through 5 months of military training. The hard work paid off, and Vicky Kaushal's stardom changed overnight. Uri became one of the 10th highest-grossing Indian films domestically. For his performance in Uri, he even won the National Award under the Best Actor category. After Uri, Kaushal made his mark in Bollywood, and he finally became one of the renowned actors of the country. The actor currently has 2 films in his bag, Sardar Udham Singh and Sam Bahadur. We wish the actor best wishes for the 2 films and for all the films in the coming years. What are your thoughts on Vicky Kaushal? Let us know in the comment section. And if you liked this video, don't forget to like and share.